Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change number in GCash. So you have to come to your GCash help center, and here you have to search for manage your account. Right now, once you search for it, you will get this option here. Now after that, you have to go for the number section. So for example, you can just select any of the option and automatically you will come here, right? Or you can just copy this paste, right? And you can just copy it and paste it on the search bar. You will come it exactly in this article. Now you will get this two options: recover your account using a new number. Now here you can see these are some of the options. So first of all, open your GCash, enter this 6-digit authentication number to submit on your which will come from your old number. Now select the recovery account, identify your GCash account type, and read through steps. Tap accept, fill the required fields and select confirm. Enter the information you used to enter in the old account, tap next, take your selfie, and automatically you will get changed to a new number. Right, so this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.